We are pleased to show you the 2022 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, remote trunk release, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.